If you suffer with neck pain, or someone that you love suffers with neck pain, this series of videos that I'm going to do is going to be critical to you learning how not only did you end up with neck pain, but how to get rid of it. So this series of videos we call neck pain causes and solutions. And there are two sides that we're going to be dealing with here. There's a structural side, okay, and a neurologic side. We're going to first outline the structural side. There are three components involved in your neck and why you end up with chronic neck pain. Number one is, this is the thing most people actually think about, is your muscles, right? Yeah, neck muscles can cause pain, okay? And so they can be too tight, or they can actually be not toned enough, not taut enough. But muscles are one. Number two, we're going to call soft tissue, and we're going to define that as ligaments and disc in particular, okay? So yes, can you have sprains in your neck? Absolutely. Can you have disc bulges, herniations, tears, and other problems in your neck? Yes, you can. And by the way, those can either cause pain in themselves or affect nerves and lead to pain. And then the third one here on this side is the joints themselves. So the spinal joints, and there are two different types of spinal joints we'll deal with: the facet joints and then also the uncovertebral joints, okay? So that's the structural side, and we're going to give you in this series of videos not only why we have the problem, okay, but what you can do about it and how to do it. So it's going to be demonstration involved as well. Now on the neurologic side, we have the number one reason neurologically that people end up with neck pain is because their cerebellum, that's the part of the brain here in the back, controls coordination, balance, posture, and all these things is not working properly. So you could have a cerebellum problem, could be leading to your neck pain. Second part is your frontal lobe. Your frontal lobe, the part of the brain here in the front, okay? What does that have to do with neck pain? Well, it controls muscles, and we're going to get into this and talk about this. And then the last one is your autonomic nervous system. And that is your balance between your sympathetic fight or flight state and your parasympathetic rest and digest state, your normal mode of operation. So why do we have such an incredible increase in the amount of people suffering with neck tension and neck pain? Well, got to go to lifestyle. In 1992, I started practicing over 30 years ago. Believe it or not, don't tell anybody this, but we didn't even have one computer in our office. No computers. We were working on like pegboards and had travel cards and all that. Oh, I did have an electric typewriter, okay? No computers. Now in our office, we have like 15 just PCs, not to mention laptops and other things. So why did that happen? Well, technology is a big reason why people end up with more neck pain. And when I started practicing, and in the 90s and up to 2000s, guess what? We're talking about all the computer use that was going on. But now today, what are we talking about? We're talking about smartphones. We're talking about tablets. We're talking about things with people in there. They have stuff in their laps now, okay? They're everywhere you look. They're propped up and they're reading or they're doing whatever, watching videos. So technology is one reason, okay? But I'll tell you this, technology has caused a second problem that a lot of people haven't thought about, but because people are so distracted and they're not paying attention when they're driving, there's more accidents. And car accidents that happen now cause problems, but more so, they lead to problems in the years to come if they're not treated properly. I'm going to talk to you about how to do that, okay? And lastly, I'm going to say that we have a lot more of all types of chronic pain because of other lifestyle factors like stress, like a poor diet. We're going to help you deal with some of these things as well to help you not only get rid of the neck pain that you have now, but also to make sure that you continue to be healthy for the years to come and don't start to experience chronic neck pain. So look forward to seeing you on the next video, and until then, live life well and God bless you.